Alright, let's try that again. From first gear, merging onto a highway. I'm gonna roll down the windows. And that's what that sounds like. I don't know if that's normal or not. Boost comes on. I feel like it doesn't come on as hard as it used to with KO3s, but I'm thinking, oh, the KO3s are smaller. They boost faster. Or something like that. But I would think KO4s give you a harder punch, even though the tune is the same. Tune is the same. 1 bar. Let's see if an enclosed area can make the boost sound more. Oh no, never mind. Where I'm going is not enclosed. Not on this side. See if I can do it again really quick. Yeah, let's see. Downshift. Definitely hear it right here. Oh, Civic time. I gotta go.